Ever since the beginning of time, humanity has always had one goal: to achieve the impossible. Presenting Colonel Taheri, one of the world's most advanced battleships. Let's take a closer look at these planes, designed by Yerkin and Juice. This section shows the exploded plane with all of its specific parts coming apart and then coming back together, and then the model rotating. This shows the engine and its complete disassembly. And this shows a cross-cut view of the engine with the propellers moving inside it. Alright, now moving on to the cannons, designed by Kartik Rao. This illustrates how the cannon works by moving up and down. Alright, moving on to the interior design of the ship by Adiyar. This is the first floor where all the boats are kept. So here shown is a working model of the boat. The boat was designed through a combination of Juice, Yerkin, and Jackson. Juice and Yerkin did the body of the boat while Jackson did the engine. Shown here is an exploded view of the body of the boat. Then here's the engine, an exploded view of the engine and how everything works. And now this shows how the engine rotates. And now time to take the staircase down to the second floor and check out the bathrooms. Shown here are exploded views and working models of everything in the bathroom. We wanted to create something luxurious for all the people aboard this battleship. And then over here are the bedrooms, where all the occupants of the battleship will rest. And shown here are some assemblies and exploded views of all of the components in the bedrooms. When designing the doors, we wanted to make it as realistic as possible. Shown here is the lounge, where occupants of the battleship will have a chance to rest and relax. And shown here is the kitchen, or the food court, where people will get their meals. And now, the engine of the battleship, designed by Kartik and Swarna. The engines are powered by this Mercury power tool. As for the engine, imagine a regular engine like this. Now imagine this, the four engines connected together, working as one. The resulting strength creates enough motion for the propeller to turn, which propels the ship. Now, for the control tower. As you go up from the bottom floor staircase, it takes you up to the working area, where occupants of the ship will have a place to work and work efficiently. This staircase leads to the control room, where all the ship systems are. So here there are 3 control panels, and each have their own buttons, which have their own purpose. So here is an exploded view of each control panel. As you can see, each has 9 buttons. For example, this special button is called the Taheri Manga, which is a extremely powerful missile system, which can dominate any enemy in its path. And now these buttons have different purposes, for example autopilot and other systems. So if you go up one more level, this is the observation area, where occupants can have a lovely view from the top of the battleship. And this concludes the video of the Colonel Taheri, one of the world's most powerful battleships.